Good morning, everyone. It's Netta. It's early in the morning, and I'm going to try and get this filmed before everybody wakes up and starts making a whole bunch of noise. I have this lovely Peacock themed journal for you today. She's 1.5 inches thick with a lovely hardcover spine. She has metal book corners. There are 5 signatures with 176 pages of different sizes. The closure is this lovely purple seam binding. I sourced a whole bunch of public domain and antique peacock images to make all of the journal cards in this book. The cover image here has a hidden pocket. Alright, front pocket here has a peacock feather and some lovely dyed green onion skin mulberry paper. This is from a vintage book. This pocket is some upcycled Tim Holtz packaging. Here is a lovely antique journal card. And then this is Yvid Neri's note from the bookmaker. Thank you, Yvid. And this also has a hidden pocket where you can hide some secrets or goodies. There is no tea-dyed or coffee-dyed paper in this book. Everything is distress inked and stenciled. So all the paper is nice and smooth for writing. There's some more mulberry paper. This is a book plate that you can adhere anywhere that you choose to put in the book. There are some stickers throughout and some stamping. This is Edith Holden book page. Some graph paper. Scrapbook paper, little antique image journaling card in a corner band. If anybody would like to see a tutorial on these corner bands, please let me know in the comments. Here's a glassine bag, a gorgeous antique peacock image. It's been backed with some parchment paper. This is a very large pocket with nothing in it. There are 5 of these jeweled paperclip charms throughout the journal. There's another antique image. This is parchment paper. There's 2 different colors of parchment paper in here, and I just love the way it feels. More stamping. Edith Holden. It's a fabric ruffle. Mulberry paper. Mulberry paper. This is an envelope that flips out. You have your writing spot. The flap of the envelope has been turned into a tuck spot with this gorgeous antique image turned into a journaling card. Here's my business card and another one of the paperclip charms. There's a corner pocket with another beautiful antique peacock image. Alice in Wonderland book page, some writing paper, little antique bronze love charm. This is an envelope made from Edith Holden book page. It's empty, so you can add your own goodies. Some dimensional stickers on the outside. And that creates a secondary tuck spot there if you want. Here's more Alice in Wonderland. This is a vintage book page journaling card / bookmark, and it's in an acetate pocket. And this is the acetate front that comes with acrylic stamps. Lovely big dimensional sticker, fabric ruffle, mulberry paper. And this journal card is gorgeous. This flips up. More mulberry paper. This is a vintage playing card that's well loved. It was a well used deck. I didn't think it needed anything else. Stamping, Edith Holden. Another gorgeous antique image. Another one of those jeweled paper clips. Now this one I left open. You can glue the edges together and turn it into another pocket if you wish, or you can leave it open so that you can add whatever you want to the inside. This is a copy of, it's a scan of one of my antique postcards from my own personal collection. I turned it into a journal card. And a long fabric ruffle. 3-dimensional butterfly sticker. Edith Holden. Graph paper. There's a puffy sticker here. This pretty little journal card. And another one of those corner bands. Anybody who would like to see a tutorial on that, let me know. Mulberry paper. Mulberry paper. This flips out for some secret writing space. This is vintage book page. There's another one of those jeweled charms. Some antiques coloring book page. Fabric ruffle. Bronze heart charm. Coloring book page. This flips up for writing. We have a book page tag here. If anybody would like to see a tutorial on this one, please let me know in the comments. This triple pocket I saw Gail Augustinelli do a long time ago, and I know she said that it was somebody else's original idea, so it's not mine. This is a wax paper tag that I just used a fussy cut and sandwiched it in there, sewed around the edges. We have a collage tag here and a paint chip that's been backed with some writing paper. We have mulberry paper. And this gorgeous little journal card. Mulberry paper. Dimensional sticker. Fabric ruffle. Another gorgeous antique image. Another big pocket, and the last jeweled paper clip on here. This is another photocopy of one of my antique postcards from my collection. It's been backed with some parchment paper for writing. Another antique image, turned into a journal card, and a tuck spot. Mulberry paper. There's a book page pocket and a little booklet. And there's a pocket in the back here, but it's empty, so it's ready for you to fill it. And that is it. Alright guys, if anybody would like to see tutorials on those corner bands or that particular tag, please let me know. In the meantime, everybody, stay safe, take care, bye.